Check this thing out, guys. This might be the ultimate wireless keyboard from Logitech because it solves one of the biggest pain points. Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk. This thing looks super cool. It's called the Signature Slim Solar Plus K980. That's a long name for a pretty small keyboard. It's supposed to be super slim, and the real kicker here is the fact that it's solar. So they say out of the box, it's ready to go, it'll connect to your computer, and it's got a solar panel on the keyboard that not only can charge from, of course, sunlight, but also ambient light inside your office, inside your home, so you don't need to take this thing outside to charge it, and theoretically, it should stay charged up constantly. You'll never need to charge this keyboard again, which is one of the biggest pains when it comes to wireless keyboards, is that you have to constantly plug them back in, charge them back up. The battery degrades over time. So can't wait to test the solar portion out of this keyboard, but before we do that, I want to get this thing opened up, get it out of the box, and show you an up-close look at the Signature Slim Solar Plus K980 from Logitech and see what comes inside the box. Here it is, the brand new keyboard from Logitech, the Signature Slim Solar Plus K980. It says uninterrupted typing powered by solar and artificial light. That artificial light is the important part. Notice the cool picture here on the front shows what looks like a typical Logitech keyboard with that solar panel right there. On the side of the box, it's got a little picture of the keyboard there, as well as the name of the product again. You've got your serial numbers and whatnot. On the other side, you've got some legal stuff, yada, 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 an address to where the company's based. And then on the side, that's kind of cool, you've got a side picture showing you how slim the slim solar keyboard actually is. On the back, we've got some features listed. Light-powered simplicity. Logia Light Charge harnesses power from any light source, even on a dark, rainy day. Always ready to go, ready out of the box, and self-charges, so you never need to wait before typing. Crafted to fit you. Comfortable typing all day, and a sleek design to match your desk aesthetic. And then switching between devices. Works with a whole bunch of different stuff. Android, Windows, Apple, etc., etc. And smart actions for work and life. You can customize the action key to a ready-made shortcut. That's part of the Logi Options Plus app that you can install on your phone. Again, Bluetooth supports Windows, Mac, iPad, iOS 16, Chrome OS, Linux, and Android OS 12 or later. So that's good to know. It pretty much works with mostly everything. Again, once again in the corner there, you can see the different operating systems listed that it supports. Okay, let's get our knife out and get this thing sliced open so we can check out the keyboard. Opening up the box, and that's a pretty cool unboxing reveal. You've got a diagram of the keyboard there on the inside of the lid. You've got a website link and just some basic instructions on how to get started there, where to go to get the software. Inside this cool little pouch appears to be the keyboard itself. Take a look. More instructions though on the box. You can see it's telling you the different light sources you can use to charge up that solar panel, and it's telling you not to cover that solar panel with something like a stylus or pen or something like that. It's got some basic instructions on how to connect this via Bluetooth, and also the easy switch option, which lets you connect to multiple devices and switch between those devices with one single keyboard. Pretty cool. Let's see if there's anything underneath this cardboard. It does look like we have a couple of legal sheets. Instruction manual, it's not going to read that. But that's it. That's all. Let's check out the keyboard. I do like this cool little protective sleeve that they include. Inside is the keyboard there in all its glory. There you go. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Nice looking keyboard. Very typical for what we could expect from Logitech. It's got some nice cool texture there on the sides, the solar panel in the middle, and then that same texture as well as an LED indicator light on the other side as well. Again, this is the solar panel in the middle, and what is cool is that it doesn't look like a solar panel. It kind of fits in with the aesthetic of the keyboard, so you don't even realize it's a solar panel. The keyboard's got some good weight to it. You saw me kind of lifting it up there because it does feel nice and heavy in the hand. Look how thin this thing is. It really is sleek, especially for, you know, doing everything it does with the solar panel and the battery built in. On the back, it simply says Slim Solar Plus. It's got that Bluetooth icon there, and it's got some cool rubber feet on the bottom. Make sure it stays in the right place on your desk. You have an on-off switch right there. What do we got over on the other side? Nothing. That's pretty simple on the back. You just have that on-off switch, turns the keyboard on, turns the keyboard off, and it should immediately connect to nearby Bluetooth devices. You can see the LED light now blinking when I turn that on. These keys look good. If you've ever used a Logitech Slim keyboard before, this is very similar in feel to what we've seen before from Logitech, but a nice keyboard. Love the addition of the solar panel, and really going to be useful for a lot of people who don't like plugging those keyboards in to charge them back up from Logitech. As I mentioned, I really like the weight of this keyboard. It feels like it's built pretty solid, and I love how slim this thing is. Again, that solar panel is integrated right there. To be totally honest, if you didn't know that was a solar panel, you wouldn't know that was a solar panel. So I love the fact that it's built so sleek. It doesn't even look like it's got a giant, ugly, like 1980s calculator solar panel on it. It looks like a normal wireless keyboard from Logitech. So now it's time to get this thing hooked up to the computer and test it out. I'll have that coming up in a later video. Let me know what you guys want to know about this new wireless solar keyboard from Logitech. Pop it in the comments below. I read every single comment. I'll comment back. Go ahead, try me. I can't wait to read your comments. And make sure you do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel. I got a lot more cool tech reviews, unboxings coming your way here on Tech It Before You Wreck It. I'm Kirk.